Good morning students. I am again present in front of you my YouTube channel Engineering Mathematics with competitive exam TGT, PGT and 12th class UP, CBSE and ICSE board. I taught in previous video my YouTube channel how to solve the partial differential equation with the method of multipliers. In that series I am going to teach in this video some important questions depend upon previous method. If you preparation the GATE exam and BTech, BSc, Polytechnic Diploma, I am complete all classes syllabus my YouTube channel free of cost. My channel is unpaid channel whose student not afforded the fees for the coaching classes, so please you are join my channel are free, complete your syllabus. So let's start in this video, and I again request you, if you new viewer in my YouTube channel, so please subscribe to my channel, share your friends. Let's start in this video. Solve the partial differential equation. Solve the partial differential equation. They are given p tan x plus q tan y and tan z. These equations are solved by the Lagrange method of multipliers. So let's start question number first. Question is p tan x q tan y equal to tan of z. We know the standard form of the Lagrange differential equations. We know that the standard form of Lagrange PDE PP plus QQ equal to of R. Standard form of the Lagrange partial differential equation PP plus QQ equal to R. Compare this equation in the given differential equation, you get the value of P and Q. Small p equal to tan x and q equal to tan y and r equal to tan of z. After then you are write down the auxiliary equation of this method. Then auxiliary equation dx over p dy over q or dz over of r. This is the value of capital Q and capital R and capital of P. Write the all value of P, Q, R in this equations. Dx over tan x equal to dy over tan of y equal to dz over tan of z. Here you are seeing that three terms are get first, second and third. You are taking first, we taking only two terms, first and second, or second, third and fourth. After then we taking first and second term. First and second term dx over tan x and dy over tan of y. On integrating both sides, integration of 1 upon tan x, that is cot x dx, minus cot y dy equal to c of 1. You are seeing that equal to 0. Integration of cot x, log of sin x, minus log of sin y and constant term already c of 1 in log. Then log of sin x upon sin of y equal to log of c1, then cancel out of log, then sin y over sin sine of x over sine of y equal to of C1. You get the first solution of this equation. C1 equal to sine x over sine of. After that you are taking the next two term and getting the next solution. So these both solution write in a form, standard form. These are the complete solution of partial differential. Please make a note. You are taking next two term, second and third. You are taking the next two terms, second and third, dy over by tan y equal to dz over tan of z. In previous step, integrating 1 upon tan y and dy और इंटीग्रेशन 1 upon tan z of आपका dz. तो 1 upon tan y it means इंटीग्रेशन of cot y dy minus इंटीग्रेशन of cot z और dz equal to 0. After similar process, integration of this form, integration of this form, cot by log of sin y minus log of sin z equal to log of c2. Same procedure, sin y over sin of z equal to log of c1, log cancel out, then c1 equal to sin of y upon sin of z. You write the form of this f u comma b equal to 0. Then f value of u is the first solution of the given partial differential equation, sin of x upon sin of y comma sin of y over sin of z equal to 0. This is the right answer of this partial differential equation. Understand easily कि what is the difference, solve the partial differential equation by the Lagrange method. Please make up. Second question. Second is this: x square p y square q plus of z square. Then x square p plus y square q equal to minus of z square. Compare this equation by the standard form: pp plus qq equal to of r. Then capital P x square, capital Q y square, and r equal to of z square. Write down the auxiliary equation again: dx over p, dy over q, or dz over of r. Putting the value of p, q, r in this equation: dx over x square, dy over y square, or dz over of z square. Here again see that first, second, and third term. We taking first and second term. First and second term dx over x square and dy over of y square. On integrating both sides, integration of this function 1 upon x square, it means minus 1 by x equal to minus 1 by y square sorry 1 by of plus of c1 minus 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to c1 and 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to c1. You get the first solution of this equation. 1 by x minus 1 by equal to c1. After then you taking the next second term, dy over y square equal to dz over of z square. Again procedure same, integrating both sides, minus 1 upon y. This value is already minus, this is minus, so plus 1 y of z you plus of c2. Then taking value of y minus 1 by z equal to c2. After common the minus 1 upon y plus 1 by z equal to of c2. And this is the second solution of this equation. Write down these equation solution. F u comma v equal to of value of u, it means the first solution of the partial differential equation 1 upon x minus 1 by y, comma v second solution of the partial differential equation y plus 1 upon z or equal to of 0. This is the complete solution of the partial differential equation. Please make a note. Only last question are remaining. So I am complete the syllabus of BTech, BSc and Polytechnic Diploma classes my YouTube channel, and you are join the coaching BTech, BSc, Inter, UP, CBSE and ICSE board. Please contact my WhatsApp number 9719163762. Contact you my WhatsApp number 9719163762 and join my offline classes in Agra. And last question, you see that question number this, z of x value of this p minus z of y value of this q equal to y square minus of z square. You know that del z over del x equal to p and del z over del y equal to of q. This is the symbol of partial differential equation. Z respect to x represented by p and z respect to y represented by q. Change this equation standard form, compare, then p equal to z of x and q equal to minus z of y and r equal to y square minus of z square. Again starting same procedure, auxiliary equation dx over p dy over q equal to dz over of r. Write down the value of the dx over p z of x dy over q minus z of y or dz over q y square minus of z square. Again you get the three terms, first, second and third. You take the first and second term, taking first and second term. First and second term, it means dz over dx over z of x equal to dy over minus z of y. Cancel out of z to z and 1 by x dx on integrating plus 1 upon y dy equal to of this 0. Integration of this log of x plus log of y equal to log of c1. By the property of log, x and y equal to log of c1. After then cancel out both side log, then c1 equal to x of y. You get the first solution of the partial differential equation. This method again we apply the process of method of multiplier, because you are not getting the any second solution taking the any other term. So we are applying in this method, the method of multipliers. Multiply by dx in first term and multiply by y in second term, multiply by z in third term, and plus 3 term to each other. Let multiplier is x, y and z in each fraction. So x dx, y dy and z of dz. Same procedure apply in denominator, x multiply by dx, y multiply by dy and z multiply by dz. Same procedure, multiply of this z of x square minus z of y square plus zy square minus z of x square. You see that plus and minus cancel out. So x dx plus y dy plus z dz equal to of, on integrating of this function, then x square by 2, y square by 2, z square by 2 equal to of c2. Then taking LCM, x square plus y square plus z square 2 of c2 or c of 2. Write down first solution of, we get c1 of this, and second solution of this and this. Write f u comma v equal to of 0. Then f x and y, and solution of this x square plus y square plus z square or equal to of 0. The complete solution of this partial differential equation of this, we apply the second factor method of multiply, because you are not getting the solution of in these terms taking any two terms. So we are use the method of multipliers. Let the multipliers x, y, z, it means x multiply by dx, y multiply by dy and z multiply by dz. After that you are adding all terms, so you are seeing that the denominator will be 0. This method is also called the method of multiplier. So x dx, y dy, z dz equal to 0. On integrating of this term, you get the second solution of this. So complete solution of this questions of fx comma y, x y and x square plus y square z square equal to 0. That's all in this video. I am again request you, if you new viewer my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel. I taught in next video in this series homogeneous partial differential equation. How to solve the homogeneous partial differential equation I taught in next video. So please subscribe my channel, share and show friend. Thanks for watching the complete video.